Do you suffer the frustration of streaky, smeared windows and messy seals, even after hours of cleaning effort? Well, Kärcher has the solution for you. The Kärcher Window Vac is the first of its kind, an innovative handheld window cleaner that gives you streak-free windows in a flash. This lightweight, rechargeable vac sucks surfaces completely dry with just one swipe, leaving behind smear-free, crystal-clear windows. Simply spray your windows with detergent, clean with a cloth, and then vacuum the dirty water away without drips. Weighing in at just 700 grams and easy to use, the Kärcher Window Vac has a lithium-ion battery that can clean an area of up to 60 square metres in a single charge. That's 45 standard-size windows. Emptying the dirty water couldn't be easier.